What's up guys, my name is Ryan45678 and today, not specifically this video, but today I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff to this car. I'm going to be doing valve cover gaskets, front and rear. While I'm there, I'm going to be checking some things like the cam caps. If someone said that you should check that, make sure they didn't come loose. Replacing the spark plugs, I've already done the front three. I'm going to look at the PCV valve and see if it needs to be replaced. I might just replace it anyway. It's probably never been replaced. So yeah, I'm thinking there's going to be at least two videos for this, front valve cover and rear separately, because they're two totally different things. I might have another separate one on spark plugs, rear spark plugs I mean. And if I have time, I'm going to be doing this motor mount. So if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know this car has lots of issues. It's got a weird stutter at idle and sometimes when you're driving, and it really feels like misfires. In fact, cylinder 4 had a misfire at one point, and I can't get it to throw the code again. And I don't know if the scan tool that I'm using or the car just can't pick up misfires that don't throw a code, but it just has a dash for everything under that section. So I don't know. That's what I'm hoping to possibly fix with this. Although there's still a possibility that it could be a bad coil. It could be, I don't know. One of the weird things people said was that these two cables on the coils got swapped somehow by because it looks like you could do it either way, and I might do that if it's still doing it. It's just kind of intermittent. It does it when you start up the car usually. It just kind of like the RPMs just kind of suddenly drop and you hear a shudder, or you feel a shudder, and then usually when you pick up RPMs it doesn't do it, but it has before, and that's when it threw the code. But anyway, some other things I noticed were there's supposed to be a cover here. There is not. There's also supposed to be a whole entire engine cover that's not there. The throttle body is missing a bolt. There's supposed to be 4 of them. There are not 4. Yeah, and it's got this weird throttle issue where somebody zip tied it, I guess because it got too loose. I'll have to fix that eventually. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm going to be doing to this car, so you know what to expect in future videos, and to kind of bring them all together and say there's going to be this video, there's going to be this video, there might be this video. Yeah, another thing, I might clean the throttle body if it looks bad. Definitely be replacing the throttle body gasket if it's bad. Intake gaskets if they're bad when I take the intake off, because you have to take the upper intake off to get to the rear valve cover. So yeah, that's other than that and things I've said before, that's it. So yeah, see you guys in future videos.